Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to play Android games on your PC using their built-in emulator from Google themselves. So, if this video helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. Now, to get started, what you want to do is, on your browser, you want to search up Google Play Games Beta. Now, you want to click Play Mobile Games on our Windows PC platform. Before you go ahead and download the beta, you want to make sure that your PC has the minimum requirements for the PC that you're running. So as you can see, there's the OS, storage, graphics, processor, and memory that is minimal, that is needed to run the games on this software. After you've checked this out, make sure that you click Download Beta to get started. And then after you've downloaded it, you want to go ahead and open the exe and start running it. Choose where you would like to install it. Make sure to give the website all the permissions required so that it runs properly. Once you've downloaded it, it'll take you to this page where you can go ahead and sign in with the Google account you wish to play your games on. After you've signed in, you will now have access to the Google Play Games beta page, where you can head over to the Explore tab, and now you'll see all kinds of games that run inside this new emulator program that you can play from your computer. Let's say I want to play Wordscapes. All I do is click on it, and then I can install it directly onto my PC and run it without the need of a mobile device. So, if this video helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. Goodbye.